Margins are the white space around the outside of a page. There's a top margin and a bottom margin, and there's a left margin and a right margin. And we can adjust the size of the margins to make them wider or narrower. That's what I'd like to show you how to do next. Right now we're in the Home tab, but to change the margins, we're actually going to open up the Layout tab. So I click on that, and the first button that you'll see in the Layout tab is the Margins button. If I click on this, you can see I've got a few options. Let's start by making our margins narrower, so less white space. That's how that looks. We've got about 1 centimeter of white space around the outside of our text. Those are narrow margins. Let's make our margins wide. That's what wide margins look like. So lots of space, about 5 centimeters on each side of the text. And let's see what normal margins look like. With normal margins, we've got about 2.5 centimeters around the outside of the page. We can actually get really, really specific about how wide or how narrow we want the margins to be. To do that, we click on our margins button and go down to the words custom margins. A box is going to pop up in a moment. Here it is. And you can see we've got space here to adjust the top and bottom margins and the left and right margins. Let's make the top margin a little bit smaller, maybe just 2 centimeters. I'm going to use these little arrows to adjust it. I'll do 2 centimeters for the bottom as well. If I want to, I can click right inside this box and just delete any numbers I don't want so that they're all 2 centimeters. And when I'm done, I click OK. There we go. So this is what a document looks like with margins that are exactly 2 centimeters. So next time you want to adjust the margins of your page, make sure you're in the Layout tab, and then look for the Margins button and make any adjustments you like.